As a 3-year-old, maths was beautiful, numbers were magic.
Science is really creative, and a lot of people don't realise that.
You know, you solve something and you get a little kick. You're like, yeah, I did that.
A lot of people will see STEM careers as this thing where you're in a lab coat and you're in a lab.
I started to break down more and more the stereotype about what science is.
Everyone says a doctor saves a life, but engineers build machines that save people's lives.
There's a lot of careers in engineering.
Sustainability, renewable energy,
climate change,
the animal welfare,
Digital agriculture.
And how we drive the change we want to see, that's what has been the life force behind my career. I believe it's really important for us to give back and help the younger generation and be role models and inspire them.
We're developing the next generation of creators, innovators and change makers.
You know, we very quickly moved from a it's impossible to it is absolutely possible.
I'm an entrepreneur.
General Manager of Sustainability.
Marine systems ecology. Senior research scientist.
Robobiologist.
Manager of systems engineering.
Chemical engineer, CTO and co-founder of Mimic Tech.
What could be more interesting than understanding life itself?